Hello guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the LeetCode strike problem number 9067. That problem is basically based on the string problem, easy level problem. And in this problem, we have given constraint one string array that is called pattern and another one is word. If the word of elements are available in the pattern, then we return how much words elements are available in the pattern or array elements inside. As example, first of all, I read the problem statement, then I goes to solving the problem approach and how we are going to solve this problem. So basically the problem is given one array pattern and the one string word. We need to return the number of string in the pattern that exist in the substring in word. That means if the words elements are exist in the array, how many elements are exist, we need to return. So here we can see the word elements are A, B, C, and the patterns of array elements are A, that is available 1, A, B, C also available 2, and B, C also available 3, but the D is not available. So our output is 3. So here we are written the 3. In the next example, we can see A, B, C, but our word having only A and B constant. So here only the 2 because A and B only available. In the third constant, we can see A, C, but the word constant having the A and B, so A available 3 times, so we return the 3. So that is the problem, and now we are going to solve our problem using the count variable. So first of all, we initialize count is equal to 0 by, we need to count the how much elements of words are available in the array pattern. Then we go through the for loop. For visiting the each element or each indexes of the array pattern. Okay, now we apply if one condition. If word contains I means element of the array, then only we need to increment our count variable, or else we no need to increment our count variable. And in the last term, we return our simply count. How much counts are happened, we return here only. In the starting itself, I told you, first of all, we check here what that contains. That means the A is available in word or not. Yes, available. So we increase our count by 1. Then again we are check ABC is available in our word or not. Yes, available. So we increase our count by 1. Then 1 and 2 second time. And the third time also BC is available in our word. So BC increases and that becomes third. But the D is not available. So we not increment our count variable. So here simply we are return our count. Let's submit our problem what happened. We can see there. Here we can see each test case are passed easily, and our time complexity of problem is order of n. Why? Because we are using only a single variable for loop, and inside the for loop each iteration we are iterating n time. So our time complexity is order of n. So the problem is solved under the 3 minutes. So thank you for watching.